Then we have very good guests from abroad, some Nobel Prize winners and other very good people. Some very good faculties visit from top universities abroad. What is common among all the IITs is you will get connected to the top-notch cream of the entire nation. Got placed in Tata Motors, so it was really proud moment for me that in such a difficult scenario also I got myself placed in a reputed company. Coming to next step is going inside IIT. Yeah. So IIT का ऐसा है कि you cannot tell in one line. Okay. एक बार में आप नहीं बोल सकते IIT ऐसा होता है. The reason is every IIT is different. Okay. IIT बॉम्बे में जो बंदा बैठा हुआ है, he is experiencing a totally different thing. IIT खड़गपुर में जो है, he is experiencing a totally different thing. IIT भिलाई में जो लोग अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, they are experiencing a totally different thing. What is common among all the IITs is you will get connected to the top-notch cream of the entire nation, and that is what you get basically. You get a very good group, okay. You get a very good connect, okay, that is for sure. But the culture is different in different IITs. I will just touch base upon IIT Kharagpur culture and let's say IIT Bombay culture. So IIT Kharagpur is based in a village. Okay, you don't have anything to do around. You just study. That is one thing. You involve in extracurricular activities. Okay, so a lot of extracurricular activities go on in IIT Kharagpur, especially. Okay, and that is I don't think true for other IITs. Other IITs like for example IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is in the lap of Mumbai, the city of Mumbai, the city of dreams. Okay, so you are already engaged in so many other things also. So many people will be visiting you, so many celebrities will be visiting your place. So many big industries, so many things are happening there, okay, right around you. So IIT cannot be unaffected out of all those things. So I am not saying anything is good or bad. It is all about what is happening around your place and how you are getting affected with it. So that is like it. So like if you go to IIT Kanpur or IIT Madras, there also the culture is like more of focused on study and all. IIT Kharagpur, if you go, it is more about bonding and the team spirit of IIT Kharagpur, just like we see in Navodaya Vidyalaya, right? In जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय, if you see, we have a very good team spirit. Means हम लोग किसी के पास भी जाते हैं, अपने senior junior के पास हमको हमेशा help मिलता है. So that kind of thing I think you can expect more from IIT Kharagpur because the bonding is very good there. But I don't think that the same thing could be expected in other IITs. Okay? That is my perspective. That is how I have seen the things. Yeah. So in IIT, I was also involved in many of the things like I was hall council member, means how the hall means it is a hostel. So running of a hostel, it involves many aspects like social activities have to be done, sports activities, the mess and food has to be taken care. So we get elected members from the students. So I was elected member for the mess and food. So that is a big responsibility, I can say. So I deployed my what you say, a leadership or collaboration skill there. Then I was involved in Shitij, which is a Techno Management Fest, which is organized by IIT Kharagpur, where so many people, students from all across the country, they get involved. Then we have very good guests from abroad, some Nobel Prize winners and other very good people. Some very good faculties visit from top universities abroad. So there also I was part of Shitij particularly, and many other activities. Okay, many other activities I was involved in. So I had a very good time there. Okay, we were involved in many of the projects, especially run by, let's say, our department. So in IITs, what happened? There are cross-functional projects were running when we were also there, which I could not see in other colleges. Means you get very involved in one area, but that is not the case in IITs. IITs do take care of the things that you get involved in cross-functional subjects. That is pretty clear in IITs from the beginning. So and that is very good in IIT Kharagpur, I can say. IIT Kharagpur has many other branches like this human resource, like economics, okay, and for medicine, we have people who have cleared MBBS and they go for MMST is one course, Master of Medical Science and Technology. So IIT Kharagpur brings a variety of experience, means variety of people on board there. So variety of courses are running there. So you get benefited from different kinds of courses actually. Okay. So that is one benefit, which is I think exclusive to IIT Kharagpur because it is really big. It can accommodate so many courses. Yeah. So that benefit also I got, means we were involved in different types of subjects like economics, computers, so all those things. Coming out of IIT was again that was another story. What happened that 2009 Lehman Brothers crisis happened actually. Yeah, Lehman Brothers crisis. What it did is it wiped out the economy. Actually, Sensex fell from 22,000 to 8,000, and that was the time we were passing out, and it was very difficult to get the job. So it was 80% placement in IIT Kharagpur, I remember, and I was placed. I got placed in Tata Motors, so it was really a proud moment for me that in such a difficult scenario, also I got myself placed in a reputed company. I went there in foothills of Nainital, that is Haldwani, Rudrapur particularly, where my plant was, Tata Motors plant was there. So I joined and Tata Nano was, we were selling Tata Nano and Tata Ace from there, we were manufacturing it. So it was also a good experience, but slowly what happened, I was getting homesick actually. I was not liking to be away from home all the time slowly. So I thought I have to come back to Bhilai. Otherwise, I will be keep revolving away from my home, and I didn't like it actually. I somehow this thing came into my mind that I'm not being very productive when I am out of my home. I need to go to Bhilai. So coming to Bhilai, when I started searching for the option, how can I go to Bhilai? So one option was you can come here and you can teach physics or chemistry for IIT JEE, and that is a good option. Another thing is the reputed company Steel Authority of India that you can join. Okay, so I wrote the exam of Steel Authority of India and I qualified. So I joined SAIL just because it gave me the opportunity to live in Bhilai. That was my sole reason. And I said the same thing in interview also that if I get opportunity any place else, I'm not going to join this. Coming to SAIL, I was a mechanical engineer in maintenance, okay, mainly. And in maintenance, it's not like you can just do mechanical stuff nowadays. Means you have to be jack of all trades. Means you have to know what is electrical, what is electronics, how computers are involved. So all those things came in, and I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that part also. I really enjoyed my maintenance job in Bhilai Steel plant. So currently I am deployed at steel melting shop where I take care of the mechanical maintenance of continuous casting machines, and I literally enjoy that job. I took a sabbatical from my personal reason. So currently I'm in sabbatical, and I'm trying out some of my own ventures actually in software particularly. Software means embedded softwares in the automotive domain that I'm trying actually. I got a very good opportunity to work in that. So coming from mechanical to software, so initially it was many people think that okay, it could be a very different journey, but it all requires a mindset that how you see the system. Whatever work I did, I think it prepared me to basically see the systems in a holistic approach. Okay, that I would also talk about. Means why it is important in the current scenario and current engineering aspects, particularly those who are trying to pursue their career in engineering. A holistic view is very important. Nowadays, it is getting more important. So currently, we are making softwares for automotives particularly the automotives which run by themselves, like who are autonomous automotives like Tesla. So other guys are also pitching in, like Tesla has done. So other guys are also pitching in. They are making autonomous vehicles, small bots who will run on the roads. Okay, and they need softwares for that. Okay, So how all this processing and everything has to be done so that those robots are capable to run in a safe manner in the roads. Okay, so I am currently involved in that, and I'm also enjoying that job, that work which we are doing. So we are a very small team, but we are very enthusiastic about the work which we are doing right here from Bhilai. So that thing was already there that I am not going to leave Bhilai, but if I get different kind of opportunities to serve different customers from Bhilai, I will not let that opportunity go like that. Yeah, so that is, I think, a very long introduction